Hello, welcome to the Michigan Pour. I'm Brent Wenz.
I'm Dan Burrows.
And today we are going back. We haven't done a cocktail video in a while, so we came up with a little something to share with you guys. We're calling it the Pure Michigan.
So in front of us, we have for our bourbon, actually whiskey, we're using the Grand Traverse Solera cognac-finished dry whiskey.
Mm-hmm.
For our cherries, we got Twisted Tap maple-finished bourbon cherries, cocktail cherries. Our bitters, can't go wrong with the Ironfish bitters.
Mm-hmm. We're doing the maple cherry.
Smoked maple.
Yep, smoked maple.
Yep.
Cherry maple, yep. And then we are also doing our Twisted Tap bourbon maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
So.
And of course, our mixer is nothing but pure Michigan burners.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to start with a couple cocktail cherries here. Now you can use fresh cherries, frozen cherries. We have neither.
So we're going with cocktail cherries.
About 4 of these. A little bit of that juice. And then a 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. Half ounce of lemon juice. And a couple dashes of our bitters. We're gonna get these all muddled in the glass here. And then we're gonna need roughly 2 ounces of bourbon. This is for a single cocktail, just by the way.
Yeah.
Now just muddle these until maple syrup and everything is stained cherry red.
Oops. Lost a little there. That's rough. Said about 2 ounces. We'll do
2,
ish.
4.
Ish. Always ish with the bourbon, guys.
Oh.
Don't shake your Vernors.
Yeah.
We've learned that lesson too many times.
Oh. I didn't have any crushed ice, so
We just
we're
used
using
an
a
ice ball.
bourbon ball.
Why not?
Getting cold.
It works. Oh man, that looks good.
It's really hard to judge this with doing 2 cocktails with
And splitting them.
one cocktail recipe.
Yeah. But it looks really cool. Looks really good.
Then
Little Vernors.
top 4 ounces, so it'll be 2 ounces and
Almost could drink it without the Vernors at that point, but then it would be a Pure Michigan. Good.
it does say you can garnish with a cherry, but garnish with whatever your heart
Desires, yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Pure Michigan.
Pure Michigan. That is tasty.
That's pretty good.
That is a pretty good cocktail.
That's really good.
Yep. Wow.
When you get the smoky cherry from the bitters, the maple.
It all plays really nice together.
And with using Twisted Tap maple syrup, you could change this recipe super easy by using any other flavor maple syrups.
Yep.
That is really good.
That's fantastic.
We'll have this recipe listed at the end of the video. Man, I haven't had that Solera rye, and so
I know it is good, isn't it? Now I just want to have some rye too. It's really good.
But you can use any Michigan bourbon, New Holland, the Dragon's Milk Origin.
Yeah.
Any of the Grand Trek. I mean, there's so many to choose from. Coppercraft, Straight Night.
They'll all work, and you can always, tweak the flavors a little bit. You can play with it. It's great. A lot of options there.
So, guys, give this a try. Recipe will be listed below.
Yeah.
And as always, guys,
Happy pours.